We're tooling around with Bob, the road edition. We're at Pelican Lake, and we've got some monstrous stuff going on here. All I know, barge, lift, correct?
Yes, sir.
Right.
So we're going to talk a little bit about what it takes to install a boat lift today. We're going to have a little fun with you today.
All right.
First, I want to talk about what we're putting in. This is Floe's new freestanding canopy. So what this is just what it can sound. It's a freestanding canopy. So
Sure.
if you have a pontoon with sea legs, that's how these are most often used.
Okay.
Or you could actually fit 2 jet ski lifts underneath here too if you don't want it. If you want to have your jet ski lifts separate.
Sure. You've got all kinds of options.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. But Floe does it a little different than everybody else. A lot of these have just 4 legs and you got to anchor them down individually. They're a pain, they get flimsy. This is actually a full framed unit. Basically, this is a boat lift without the lifting mechanism.
Okay.
Still has Floe's easy level legs where you can adjust the level with a drill. It's all full frame, so it's incredibly sturdy. It also has Floe's canopy, which is the best canopy system on the market. And probably the coolest thing is their anchor system. Instead of having 4 poles that you got to get in there and anchor them in, it actually has a clamp. It clamps onto this beam, and you anchor it in from the top with a drill.
Oh,
it's
very
super
nice.
cool. Floe, a better way, as always. But we got this on the trailer. We're going to actually put this on that barge.
On the barge.
We're going to put that on the barge.
All right.
And then we're going to show you how you float something into place. Just as another option, I want to talk to you a little bit before we go out about our float and roll. If you are the do-it-yourself type, you don't want to wait for us, we have this really cool float and roll product I want to show you.
Okay. This is really a neat product, and people can rent this at Lakeland True Value.
Yeah, we rent them, or you can buy them too, but we rent it most often. This is Floe's float and roll system. As you see, it has wheels on it. Basically, all you do, it extends out for different size lifts.
Okay.
It'll spread out. You put this above your beam of your lift, the main frame beam, and then you pinch it down together with the lifting beam and roll it in. And as you roll it in, obviously, as soon as he's getting the water, it'll float. So you can use this either to actually put your lift in and out, or if you need to move a lift to the other side of the dock, you can actually pull this. It's got cables on it. You could actually pull this with a jet ski or a small boat. But I've literally put in a 5,000-pound lift by myself with one of these. I just rolled it right in the water. I walked it into place and then dropped it down.
Well, I'm anxious to get on this barge. Let's get her done.
Let's do it.
All right. He needs a mom back. Say, what's a mom back?
What's a mom back?
You stand behind somebody, go, mom back.
Yeah.
Then what do you do?
Get the strap out of the way.
It won't come undone.
But
it won't come undone. There we go.
I think we should keep you to cleaning toilets, Dave.
Yeah. See, it wasn't just me. It was the ratchet.
Oh, sure. Thank God you're a good toilet cleaner.
Yeah, no.
You're doing great, Dave. Doing great.
Hey, thanks, man. Okay, now what? Does that help?
Yeah. Sure. Watch your toes.
How far down can you go? I had a lot to worry about there, didn't I?
It's because you're so tall, Dave.
I know, tall in stature. That's actually pretty slick.
Works great.
Yeah. Tooling Around with Bob. I'm Dave Lee.